The diagnosis of Parkinson's disease still relies on clinical signs of motor involvement that appear later on in the course of the disease, when most of the neurons of the substantia nigra are already lost. This protocol allows the dermal nerves analysis by skin biopsy that represents a potential new biomarker of the disease to be used in clinical trials. Skin biopsy is an easily accessible, not invasive procedure that allows the analysis of peripheral nervous tissue that is prone to the pathology. Alpha-synuclein aggregates detection by skin biopsy can be used for diagnostic purposes, possibly at early phases when potential cure is most effective.
Follow-up skin biopsies in the same patient allow a time and spatial course analysis of alpha-synuclein aggregate spreading in human cutaneous nervous system. This can shed light on the pathogenesis of disease.
To begin this procedure, prepare a fresh PLP fixative solution as outlined in Table 1 of the text protocol. Immediately after collecting skin biopsy, submerge it in a tube containing 10 milliliters of the fixative solution. Incubate overnight at 4 degrees Celsius. The next day, in a fume hood, remove the PLP fixative gently. In the same tube, wash the biopsy 3 times for 5 minutes each, using 5 milliliters of 0.1 molar Sorensen solution for each wash. Discard the Sorensen solution